In this video, you are going to learn how to fix the Cycle Frontier Twitch drops not working. If you're having trouble with getting your rewards from the game, then this video is for you. I'll be going over how to troubleshoot and fix the issue so that you can start collecting those rewards. So, first of all, open up your web browser and then go to the URL that you see on the screen. And once on this site, you must either log in with your Steam account or your Epic Games account. Once you are logged in, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you see this banner that says earned your reward but can't claim it. Click refresh to check. So go ahead and click on this refresh button over here and it will take its sweet time to process things, but after that is done, you will be able to claim your Twitch drops. So that's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.